So now we can look at past question and know whether if we can also apply these laws of logarithm to solve that particular problem which has been given to some persons in their examination. All right, so let's look at past question now. Okay, I told you I'm going to look at past question. This is a past question from JAM, all right, Joint Admission and Matriculation Examination, which is what? JAM. University Entry Examination, that is what it is. JAM, University Entry Examination for Nigeria. So this is the past question that was given to them, where they were asked to simplify without logarithm table this particular logarithmic problem. And these are the options. So we can now go ahead to solve and know that if we're going to get this problem solved. So we can say solution. Now, we're given log of this. So what you need to do is we should recall, all right, recall from the logarithmic laws that log of a raised by x, all right, then log of a raised by x, that is for the division part, okay, minus log of what? A raised by what? Y, okay, is the same as log of a raised by what? S over y. Okay, that's what you should recall. Also, having recalled that, we also recall another one, which is number 2, that n log of a raised by what? X. That is log s base a. Don't mind my pronunciation. Log s base a. Then here is log s base a, log y base a. So if we're given this n log s base a, so this is going to give us log x raised by n is what? A. All right, having recalled this problem, that means we can solve this problem with this. All right, so what you need to do now is, if you check this first one, make sure you solve them separately so it will not give you issue. So let's take this and solve. If we take this to solve now, we can have log 2, right? They are having log 2 in common. So the next thing is, since there is minus, which is what we did here, because this is the same as what? This. All right, check it very well. You see that they are same. So we can make use of this answer here. So if we make use of that, it's going to give us log of this. Then next thing you should do here is taking 6 divided by what? 3. All right. Okay, so the next thing you should do is we now have log of what? 2. Then 6 divided by 3 is what? 2, which is equals to what? 1. All right, when this goes against this, it's going to be what? 1, which is under law of logarithm. Then we have already gotten 1 here. Then let's go here and solve and see what we're going to get. Then so having log of 2, then that is log of 8 base 2. We can also apply that same method where we have the same, they have the same base, which is log of 2. All right, then bracket, then 8 divided by, so here now these 2 go up here, which is what we're having half. All right, then squared. because these two will go up, that is half squared. Okay, so that is the same thing I did here. This, you look at this now, you see that it's the same as this, where this 2 is n, then 2 went up, which n went up here, so it's the same as this. That is where this one was applied. So if you have that now, you can see now that let's simplify this half. 1 over 2 raised power 2 is the same as 1 over what? 4. Because this going again, that is 1 over 4. Alright? So in that case now, let's bring it together now. Where we have log of what? 8 over what? 1 over what? 4. Which is going to give us 8 multiplied by 4 over what? 1. Which is what? 30 what? 2. In this case now, we're having 32, which is going to give us log of 2, that is log of 32. This is the same as log of base 2. 32 is 2 raised power 5. Yes, 32 is 2 raised power 5. That is going to give us 32. Okay, so what we now do is, if you're having 2 raised power 5, remember this have to come here, and you have log. If this comes, so you have 5. Okay, log 2 base 2, where this now is 1, so it will give us what? 5 multiplied by what? 1, which is what? 5. Remember, this is the denominator. The one you solved initially was the numerator. Now we can take them together, bring them together now, and see what answer we're going to have. The numerator will have 1, all right, then all over, then the denominator will have 5. All right, this is the what? Answer. So coming here now, can I say A is the what? Answer. All right, so that is how you apply the laws of logarithm to solve logarithmic problems.